I feel so stupid. I feel so dumb. Oh, talking into the camera is not my forte. Today we have hired a welder, an instructor from MTech. So we are going to hopefully weld the frame for the door and the window. Ideal if we can get that all framed out, mount it up. It'll be exciting. This is today. Bye.
No, because in our math, because we were talking how genius it was, how we worked together, the three of us, when we were ordering it.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, oh, we got all the square tubing for this.
But we didn't get it for that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to go back in. So I was wondering, maybe we'll take back that piece, because now we don't need 6 necessarily at some point, and we can have them shear that 6-inch into through 3 inches and put a 3-inch up here.
So these are all 8 to 10 feet.
Oh, cool.
Anyway, they have a shit ton of refuse
Oh,
right now.
nice.
Grind off some of the paint so we can have a fresh metal to weld onto, to weld our frame on.
Oh yeah, what does it sound like?
What?
Yeah, not the tool, your voice. You gotta make the sound
What sound?
of the grinder. No!
I can't make that sound with my mouth. I will not even try.
I love you.
Love you. Bye. My hands are not that strong, guys.
Be strong!
So we're getting our frame for our window put together. Clamping it down, getting ready to tack weld it. And then we'll go put it up in place on the container, make sure it's all exactly the way we want.
Oh yeah!
And
With Jacob! Booyah!
so good.
Clever.
Okay.
Oh yeah!
That one's stacked.
So this is super duper official badass status right here. Cause she's a welder now. Look at that, we got a fan. We got our ground right there. She's got gloves on and a helmet, and so do I for safety. And she's gonna weld that bad boy. So here's the before.
Well, you can't. Can you film this?
Yeah, I can film
Does
it.
not hurt the eyes?
No, because it's a camera. The camera can watch it.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just gonna have to cut it out because I need to practice one more time. So. That was not very good weld.
She moved. It didn't work last time, and it was very ugly because Jacob left on the gas, or turned off the gas.
When I left, and I forgot to tell him. So.
So now we're going to
So it created a lot of porosity. Those were the holes in my weld.
Yep, the
bead.
porosity, we're learning. So here she goes. We got our helmets on.
So you're gonna watch the sides of the groove. Because I made a little bit of a groove in here when we remove the porosity, you are gonna have to go either a little bit slower or vary your technique and go a little bit side to side. You kind of want to watch the sides of the puddle to make sure that it's filling in that groove completely. So filling up the groove to flush, but not excessively so.
Okay,
So no pressure.
how it goes.
We got this. How do we do?
Not bad.
Looky there, our metal frame is in. We're bringing the welder out and we're just gonna tack it in place for a minute and then make sure everything's all tight and exactly how it needs to be. And then we'll throw down the final weld bead. Amazing.
Oh yeah. Yes. We can. Oh, we got them all grinded. I think we did.
Grinded, I think we're gonna got it right here, but we have a weld at the top. That point, but it should be that.
Oh yeah, let's do that because I just pushed that flush. That just bowed in a little.
So good.
That's so good.
That one definitely had some serious porosity. The wind was blowing on that one.
Oh,
I cannot believe
That's
how.
all right. I mean, it's not going nowhere.
Right.
Like,
I mean, this is like 23 on the nuts.
nice.
As it was light. And then it trimmed off. I unplugged it. Love you, baby. So we're getting these prepped for that frame. That is going to go on both sides of that. So we're going to put one going up there, see how it's clamped on. That'll be welded into place. Then we'll weld the other one over there that's leaning against there. And then we'll put another L bracket right there and weld it between there and up to there so that we can reinforce that because of the span. Rubber. Hit the clamp. But it'll do.
All right.
Put it on the inside.
Okay, where's the next one?
The next one's down here.
What's that, babe?
I can't believe how tight we are. Are we good?
Yeah. Good.
Gosh, that's fun. Nice. It's like, yeah. So awesome. Got it. But I got my glasses on.
Cover.
Yeah. We've welded up the frame in the garage, and it's going to go up there. Let me see how you see it. Right there in the opening, there's going to be 2 doors. This was the cutout that was on the ground. We're now going to cut the inside of it out for the shape of that so we can weld that up and essentially make that one of our doors. today. We are finishing up making the awning, welding it up, and welding up the door. And we got the frame to the other door out there, and we're gonna weld it up, and hopefully we can tack it into place and see how it functions on the shipping container. Awesome Sunday. With Jacob over there welding his little heart out. Look at that guy. Man.